time.
My name is Debeat, class 1. Honorable chief guest, respected sir and madam, my lovely brothers and sisters, 15 August is our Independence Day. I am going to tell something about Independence Day. Independence Day is our national day. We got our independence on 15 August 1947. We respect our national flag, national anthem, and freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi was a great fighter. He is the father of nation. At that time, great fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. This day reminds freedom fighter struggle. At last, I salute national flag. Hence, I remain thank you all. Jai Hind.
জাতীয় বন্দনা বন্দে মাতরম।
Bande Mataram, Bande Mataram.